Text, Ava Oakwood. Equal housing opportunity. Dozens of reclining lawn chairs sit alongside a turquoise swimming pool. Each end of the pool has a shallow waiting area with fountains and chairs before stairs going further down into the pool. Several modern buildings with clean lines and paint in shades of white and gray interspersed with parking lot spaces. Two people walk into glass doors next to a sign that says lease today. AvaOakwood.com. They look through a brochure with a staff member. Inside a unit, a kitchen is open to the living room. The features and finishes are contemporary, including flat front cabinet doors and hard surface countertops. The bedroom has a dark green accent wall with board and batten accent. A bathroom is open off the bedroom. A door opens off the living room onto a porch outside. The porch overlooks the swimming pool and lounge area. A weight room contains aerobic machines, weight benches, and free weights. Another room has additional exercise equipment. A person walks on a treadmill, looking out at the swimming pool. A person works on a laptop at a table in a shared workspace. A person plays pool in a shared lounge area, with its own bar, refrigerator, sink, and dishwasher. Two people sit at a table on one of the porches. They toast with their coffee mugs. A person exercises at the Gainesville Parks and Recreation Fitness Court. It has platforms at various heights, rings, and other exercise equipment. The entrance to Inman Perk Coffee Shop. A person swirls an iced coffee drink. People shop and dine at local area businesses. 5 people toast at a restaurant. An overhead view of a deep teal lake beneath a blue sky. The Ava logo, consisting of the word Ava across the middle of the letter A.